If you're looking for wind-up alarm clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 wind-up alarm clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Equity by Crosse. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Equity by Crosse. Number 3, by AcuRite. For more details about this great alarm clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Bulova. Number 5, by Westclox. Find these wind-up alarm clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle. Number 6, by Equity by Crosse. Number 7, by Advance. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Equity by Crosse. Number 9, by Work. Discover more wind-up alarm clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by DGQ.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.